I was talking to someone a couple weeks ago, and I was looking at the sunset. And he said to me, he looked at me and he said, you know, you see one sunset, sunrise, you've seen them all. And that is so not true. It's not true. I mean, I feel like everyone is special in its own way. And I just hope I never lose that magical feeling I feel whenever I see a great sunrise or sunset. It's so amazing. Pretty epic. Long's Peak. That is so cool.
Not today's chasm view all.
Oh, nice.
The pika are waking up. That's a pika up there on the rock. And just so everyone got snow. Snow up here. Okay, what goes up must go down, right, Evan? We're on our way down. It's actually quite steep, but it's so pretty up here. And that's the trail. You can see other people coming up the trail. We're up on the tundra. Okay. Oh no, I got him. Oh yeah, there he is. They're so fast. Casual climb. Casual. No big deal. Whoa. Scrub Jay. Alright. We're coming back into tree line now. I'm thankful to have these boots. I'm thankful to have my Duluth pants, thanks to Renee and Nicole. And I'm thankful to have these poles. What do I always say? How lucky am I? And how beautiful is this? I'm very fortunate to have my health and to be able to hike up here